Hello everyone. So I hope you all had a great weekend. It was a long weekend, and after that today we had our Nifty expiry, and I hope it all went good for you all. So again, welcome back to the daily analysis video, and let's discuss what we did today and what we are expecting next with the help of the data point. So as discussed yesterday, that is in yesterday's video, I clearly discussed that the FIs have bought calls as well as puts. Okay, now so you had to get the thing, that is what actually during the live market hours they are planning to do. But the prop decks, on the other hand, they did not do anything on the call side, like neither call buying nor call writing, right? So the question was still remaining that whether market would shoot up or market would go down, or maybe a straddle, or the sideways move. So anyways, coming down to our Nifty. So here, when these two big red candles came, so actually at this moment the the short sellers, they were given exit. Okay, so the put buyers, they were closing, and so we all I knew that the put buyers are closing and they were making call buying positions. Okay, and especially in every index today. So I couldn't follow the other index today during the live market hours because of Nifty expiry was there, and I was fully concentrating on Nifty. So I saw that they were buying, and I here went with them. So here Nifty 22 450 C, I bought it at 45, then 40 and 29. Okay, as you all know, I buy when it goes against my. So it's not like I am god of the stock market, and I'll always catch the bottom, I'll always catch the top. So it's not like that, it doesn't go like that. So sometimes when it little bit, it should it goes against my direction, so I average it out, because the even the big guys are also averaging. I can if I see that the big guys are also averaging out their position, so why not, I will also do it. Okay, because again, no one can every time get hold of the exact top or the exact bottom, right? So now talking about the thing, that is my my average buying price was at 38, and the selling 22 450 p, that was deep in the money. Okay, so if you look at here at that moment where Nifty is at 22 369, or maybe it went to 358, so I am shorting 22 450 p. So that is almost 100 points Nifty in the money, and now you can very well see that at that moment no one could have seen that such a move was going to come, and just right after that market shot up. Okay, just after these candles, look at the time when so it's like dar ke aage jeet hai. Okay, so look at the time when I took the trade. So it was 9:27 till here, and 9:31 I was still updating the members what's happening, and then what my current positions are. So 9:31 I just updated, and then 9:33 it just shot up. Okay, so 9:33 there move came, and that price the 22 450 C, that price went from 28 to 98, almost more than 3x it moved. Okay, and yes, now see, if I could have also said that I closed it at 90 or something, but yes, I wasn't able to close it at that price point. So the system, it was trailing the profits, and it closed it at 65. Okay, but yes, I was carrying the call writing the put writing positions. Okay, whose average was at let's say that is 86, and then I was able to close it at 35.5. So anyways, 36. So considering 36 to 86, it's a 50 points move. Okay, so even if you just sell 1,000 quantities, and you get 50 points, so you get 50,000. Okay, so anyways, coming down to the main point, then again, even after closing my positions, I said that again a spike will come and Nifty will go up. Okay, so here I said it clearly, you can very well see that yes, but there is still another chance of going up. Okay, because why I said this, because the spike came very quickly, okay, and I mean there might be a confusion that whether again it will go up or not. So that's why I said clearly again that it will still go up, okay, because still the big guys were present there and they were not closing. So then again it shot up, and I was able to close my put writing positions here, and then no open positions, and I was waiting for the next opportunity. And then again I shorted this 550 PE. Again that was in the money. Look at the time, 13:57. Okay, so if you look at the time, 13, sorry, not this one, yeah, 13:57. So these might look small, but yes. So here 13, yeah, so this is where like 13:55 to 2. So 13:57 I shorted here, and as you can see, like 13:57 22 550p shorted at 28, and C bought it at 48, but I did another trade before this here. That is this was the one, like 10:25 AM 22 450p again shorted at 40, because I knew the big guys were present there. So 10:25, if you look at here, I also like the morning reversal. Yes, it was a perfect one. No one could have imagined that. Now again at 10:25, almost like below, almost at the end of this move, down move, that is 10:20 to 10:25 this candle, then again it went up, okay, and I did not buy calls there, but I shorted that is the puts 22 450p and at 40, and just within like 6 minutes I got 21 points premium. And that was a fantastic move, and I did not have to average it out in that move. And then finally this trade was shared on Twitter as well, the final trade, which gave 22%. I closed it very early, I should say that here. So this trade was shared, as you can see here, not this one, where did it go, yeah, this one. Okay, you can check out the time and check out the move, and see 207. So I clearly said that yes, the big guys are buying calls, and it went down by a little bit, like at 41 to 42. There also, like, I updated that I have as you can see, I updated that I have bought it at 42 as well. And so I finally closed it at 55. And on the put side, the put writing positions, so where did it go, yeah, and the put writing positions, I closed it at 15. If I would have kept it, but I would have got all the premiums, but anyways, no regret. So 28 covered it at 15, and this 45 covered it, closed it at 55. So it's a 22% move. But even after closing that, I closed it at before 3 p.m. and even after closing that as well, I said here, that is, now with every day the big call buyers would be taking the Nifty up. So my message was very clear before 3 p.m. that if market moves, it's going to be up, okay, because of the call buyers present. And as you can see here, that is look at the time, 2:50 p.m. just before 3 p.m., 10 minutes before 3 p.m. I did update everyone like that if market goes up, it's going to go up. And then you saw that I mean the C price where the big guys bought, we in the second half we caught them. So their average price was almost at around my price of buying, that is 45. They took it to again 82, so almost 2x they took it, 82 or 85 something, okay. So again, nothing you could do, and only one thing you can do is like catch these HFT guys, ride with them. They might ride long, short, whatever, for a short period of time or for a long period of time. You don't know. What you have to do is you have to catch these big guys, enter with them, get a profit, get a nice profit, exit. Okay, भूल जाओ बस. After that, अगर market बहुत profit दे देता है, नहीं देता है, कुछ भी हो जाता है, मतलब don't regret. Okay. So I've seen this like in many members that अरे भाई मैं तो 20 पॉइंट पे निकल गया, अगर मैं रुक जाता तो 50 पॉइंट मिल जाता. तो ऐसे रिग्रेट मत करो. हाँ, मतलब there will be opportunities, okay, lot of opportunities. That even if you see here, overall we got like 86 points. 84 points. Total is 84 points. 50 points, then 50 points in the morning, then 10:25 again 21 points, and then again at the end, which was shared on Twitter, 13 points. Okay, so overall we are getting 84 points premium. अगर 1000 लॉट भी सेल करते हो ना भाई 84,000, ठीक है, कुछ मतलब it's not at all a bad thing. I mean, it's a too good thing. Okay, so and talking about the call buying. Okay, so the call buying. So in the morning, 38 closed at 65. It's like a 71%, and then the call buying, which was shared on Twitter, it gave 22%. Okay, so almost 93%, almost 100%. Okay, so just 7% less. Okay, so I could have also lied that and made it 2x. So anyways, almost 2x. So in the buying as well. So I think like that's a huge thing. And yes, if you want such analysis during the live market hours, and you want access to the money flow indicators, so you can be a part of the derivatives indicator group. So even the money flow was saying in the morning that the big guys are buying in Nifty. As you can see, the scores were like good enough. Okay, so even if you look at here, Nifty was also falling, but look at the score was not falling, the score was positive, enough positive to give a nice indication. But yes, in Bank Nifty the score was decreasing, but then from 9:35 onwards, like the score recovered very quickly. Okay, and then it showed that the big guys were making long positions, and then after that, like it went up. Okay, so the thing is that yes, everything worked perfectly for us. And yes, now let's talk about the thing that is the next analysis, the EOD analysis. So again, if you want to catch the big guys during the live market hours, don't forget about to take the offer. So it's only valid for the next 3 purchase. And yeah, so tomorrow we have Bank Nifty expiry, so let's see what's in store for us. So let's go to the EOD data. So EOD data is suggesting that we are like having call buying, futures long positions are being made by the FIIs, and these like prop decks, they have today made both the side positions, but overall they have more long positions in the futures. Now talking about the other data points, options. So options, if you look at here, this FIIs, like not much activity on the call side or the put side, but if you look at here, that is on the option buying, so they are specifically like becoming option buyers nowadays, with more call buying than put buying. Okay, so they are like becoming call buyers. And talking about prop decks, they have done a heavy put writing, and they have also done call buying. Okay, so not actually call writing, so they have done call buying. Now talking about overall data points of FIIs in the option. So it's kind of like they have like put writing positions, but for the FIIs specifically for the FIIs, if you look at here, that is they have put buying positions. Okay, I think the extra put buying, they're doing it for to hedge the futures long positions. And on the call side, if you look at here, that is they have call buying positions. Okay, and so they are overall buyers. And talking about prop decks, look at here, that is they have a huge amount of put writing, and they are put writers actually. And on the call side, they have call writing, but they are overall call buyers. Okay, so things are looking bullish, and so we can like we are heading towards again new all-time highs. So that's like that's the overall analysis. And let's go. And so both in Nifty and Bank Nifty, we might be heading towards new all-time highs. So anyways, coming down to tomorrow we have Bank Nifty expiry. So let's go to Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, as we discussed, like 50,000, the straddle guys were there today. And when like in the morning, if you look at here, that is Bank Nifty was almost below 50,000, but the call writers, they were, as I said, like the shorters were given exit, and then they were buying calls. Okay, and so the 50,000 call writers, they escaped, and they now the put writers are dominating there. So for the next level would be like, let's say 50,500 CE and P. But you see that since call buying has happened, so these call writers, I won't be taking their positions very seriously. So I'll check like tomorrow what actually they are doing. But since they have bought calls, and as we can see in the EOD data, and as we have like also seen during the live market hours, we have caught the HFT traders buying calls, the big institutions buying calls. So I won't be considering these call writing positions very seriously for now, for tomorrow. So my idea would be to look on the put side for writing, and if possible I get a nice entry in the call side, I'll go, or if I see the HFT buyers, I'll go with call buying. Otherwise I would stay away from call buying, and for put buying only if I get a strong signal. Otherwise I the put writers are dominating now, and overall FIs and Propdex, they are both bullish, and they have both like enough put writing positions. So that's why I would like to stay away from put buying. But again, as you know, like during expiry days, anything can happen at any point. So again, I'm saying if I get a very strong signal, then only I'll go. Talking about Nifty, so Nifty 24,000, as you can see, mostly the big guys are sitting with their call writing positions. And talking about the straddlers, so the straddlers are almost present within a range of, like I have said, 23,400 to 23,600. Okay, so this is the 200 points range. The straddlers are sitting there, and so let's see. As like all I'm expecting is a level of 23,600 to 650 for Nifty, max, at max. Okay, and I'm not saying it will go there. So at max, and if it goes there, so after that I'll be looking for opportunities to short it. Okay, so that's my overall analysis and FinNifty expert today. So yeah, that's it for this video. So if my analysis are helping you, so don't forget to put a like, and please do share it among the other traders who need such similar help. And if you want to be a member, if you want to be a part of the derivatives indicator group, where you want to catch these HFT guys buying calls or buying puts, so don't forget to take the advantage of the offer. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and keep watching and keep learning and trade safely. See you in the next one.